welcome back, and today I'll share a review of the iPad Pro 2021 edition. The Apple iPad Pro runs on iPad OS 14.5.1 operating system and can be upgraded to 14.6. It's powered by Apple M1 chip. It comes with 8 GB RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, 256 GB of internal storage and 512 GB of internal storage, and 16 GB RAM with 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte of storage. It comes with a 12.9-inch liquid retina XDR display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. It supports 5G connectivity and comes with a triple camera, 12 MP wide angle camera, the 10 MP ultra wide camera and 12 MP front selfie camera. The camera can capture 4K video in 24 to 30 FPS. Coming to the features, the iPad Pro has various features like FaceTime for video chat and calling. Now in the iPad Pro you can open multiple windows at the same time and transfer data from one window to another window by just drag and drop or copy paste. It supports a second generation Apple Pencil. Now with the help of the Apple Pencil you can draw, do research on net and make notes. It also comes with a keypad. With the help of the Apple keypad you can do research on net faster. It comes in two colors, silver and space gray. The iPad Pro also has a 5.0 Bluetooth version. If you have liked my video, please like, subscribe, comment and share and press the bell icon. Thank you.